forefathers were in this set of circumstances. They were not part of the nation of Israel. They were Gentile.
Good evening, family. What do you feel when you sit down or lay down in silence? If you get a chance to turn the TV off, but even if you have the TV on, you probably think of your own thoughts. You ain't totally into that program. I'm gonna say do this. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. Sit in your chair. Close your eyes, put your head back. Take a deep breath. What do you feel now? So what I feel right now at this moment, ain't nothing to do other than expose the dragon.
Oh yeah, the dragon.
To this world, to the layman, the common people, the people who don't even think about this kind of shit.
Y'all.
He's gonna speak to you. Then I'm gonna speak to you while I talk to him. The Bible says we wrestle not with flesh and blood, but with spiritual wickedness and principalities and spiritual wickedness in high places. They're literally above us, but within the same sphere that we're in. They enjoy qualities of life that should make you mad when you find out. They give free energy, they don't have to pay no bills. Nope, not a one. Not a one. That replicator of food that you saw on Star Trek, that thing is real. Been real for a long time, for real. No one has to go hungry. But because they're selfish and devilish and jealous of the chosen ones. Because the chosen ones work without even knowing consciously that they're working. Many do. Because the course of life made them look at themselves and examine others thoroughly. Some of the things that they found out, the truths they found out, was hard to bear. Man, that's my mother, that's my father. But they treat me other than the way I should be treated as a mother or father should treat their child. Because technically, they're not your mother and father. Through the course of life, over many lives, times, places, eras, whatever you want to call it. This thing ain't new. This thing far from being new. So old as a shame. It's actually older than dirt, and so is your soul, if you have one. If you have one. We get caught up in the way a person looks, the way they sound, the way they talk, the way they walk, the way they express themselves. But you know what's something when you look at him? That person is not the truth. They have no light within them. They're what I call the greatest pretenders to ever exist anywhere. The greatest pretenders. Chosen ones. Did you all see that video about the alien, the alien that they interviewed? He said he came from the future. Do you know that they were once people like you and I? Look at them now. Why would they run from the future back to this time? Because they couldn't go any further. Forward. Couldn't go any further. So they come back here to ruin your lives because their lives have been ruined. They know it. They thought they escaped the punishment, the judgment that was promised to them, the fire. It's time for them to contend with it. Chosen ones, they can't do nothing to y'all that they haven't already done. And if you have not succumbed to it, you will not. I speak in the name of A-L-L-A-H, Allah. But not the way that you all may know Allah or may have heard of Allah. First Allah. Is a woman. The second Allah was that aggressive part of herself when it came time for her to become more. She shed that skin. She fell in love with it because it was as powerful as her, but not more powerful than her. She fell in love with the male that she created. And she knew no name greater than her own in the time of her existence at that time. So she named him Allah. And the Quran isn't written, with him is the mother of the book. In this day and time, many of us know of her. When we say her name, her new name, we mispronounce it. We call her Mother Nature. Her name is Manecha. Manecha. Manecha, Mother Nature. Very close proximities, aren't they? And if you are a true chosen one, she has a light for each and every last one of you. Chosen one. She pulled me aside a long time ago, I say since May 1st, 2005. And taught me in ways that were very unorthodox. I went as far as being homeless, and I knew it was coming, and I could not fight it. The hardest thing to deal with was people around me judging me. Oh, what's wrong? You should do blah, 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 whatever. But I knew the truth. And once I stopped being upset about my homeless condition, I started learning in very unorthodox ways, but I was learning from nature, in the midst of nature. I was homeless in 3 states and had family in all of them, but they're not really my family. Those were the hardest things to bear. Those that I truly love did not truly love me. And when that pierced my heart, beyond the shadow of any doubts, I went inside the park in the tall grass and cried my heart out. Chosen ones, more to come.